Welcome to DENSO on the Road, your all-access pass to the events where DENSO technology takes center stage. From smart mobility to smart manufacturing, we're hitting the road to show how our innovations are shaping the future. Let's drive to Atlanta, Georgia for ITS World Congress.
DENSO has been participating for over a decade in ITS events.
We're trying to introduce our offerings from our Mobic brand, which is our new smart mobility brand focused on V2X as well as keyless access products.
Our implementation enables you to use your employee ID badge, and that badge can give you access to that vehicle.
It's all pointing towards one goal, 0 fatalities on the road.
In the unfortunate scenario where someone is in an accident, we implement a signal which enables the emergency vehicle to get to the scene quicker.
We have a lot of pride in the technology that we have to offer. It takes several technologies pieced together, and that's why we're here. We see a lot of technologies that we can pair up with in order to deliver these solutions.
We believe what we make today will power future fleet and making our life easier in turn.